In the last class, we did questions on first principle, which was this derivative of any function y is equal to f of x is always limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. This was the formula to differentiate, right? We already know that derivative of sin x is cos x. Have we done x square and x cubed? We have done. We know that derivative of x to the power n is nxn minus 1. Using that, we found that derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of x square is 2x. Now, there are a few more limits which are like this. Limit h tends to 0, e to the power h minus 1 over h is always 1. Limit h tends to 0, log of 1 plus h divided by h is always 1. Limit h tends to 0, a to the power h minus 1 over h is always a to the power h log a. आने के लिए you should know these expansions. 1 e to the power x is 1 plus x plus x square by 2 factorial, x cube by 3 factorial, and so on. So using this expansion, if we substitute e to the power h over there and simplify, you get this answer. Similarly, we have expansion of log of 1 plus x also, which is x minus x square by 2, x cube by 3, x to the power 4 by 4, and so on. This is expansion of log. In the expansion of log, you only have plus, minus, and alternate, and no factorial, whereas e to the power x, it has factorial in the denominator. Then I also gave you the expansion of sin x, if you remember, x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x to the power 5 by 5 factorial, x to the power 7 by 7 factorial, and so on. Cos x is 1 minus x square by 2 factorial, x to the power 4 by 4 factorial, x to the power 6 by 6 factorial, and so on. So using these expansions, we can get the limits. Mobile अपना side में रखो. अभी for a moment you remember these limits. ठीक है? Yep. वो भी लिख लो. Soon. अभी एप्टीट्यूड का टेस्ट होगा ना शायद. फिर एप्टीट्यूड का होगा, फिर उसके बाद मैथ्स का होगा. This natural log. Calculus में whatever log you use, everywhere it has to be natural log. That is to the base e. E is a Napier's constant, which is approximately 2.72, just like pi. It is irrational number. बेस ई है वो. नहीं नहीं, वो बेस ई ही है. जब भी लिमिट्स में डिफरेंशिएशन में इंटीग्रेशन में लॉग हो वो टू द बेस ई ही होगा. H is a very small positive number approaching zero. Now, using first principle, differentiate f of x is equal to e to the power x. You have to use this formula, right? F of x is equal to a to the power x. A is always a positive number greater than 0. And f of x is equal to log x. इन तीनों का डेरिवेटिव करो यूजिंग फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल. फॉर्मूला इज देयर ऑन द बोर्ड. वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन इन द प्रीवियस क्लासेस. कर लो. एफ एक्स गिवन है. एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस एच निकालो. डायरेक्ट नहीं करना है, फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल यूज करना है हमें. हाँ, ऊपर जो लिखा हुआ है ना, एफ एक्स दिया हुआ है, एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस एच निकालो. ये क्या हुआ है? लगी है. एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस एच निकालो, फंक्शन में डाल दो. इंटू द ई टू द